Thank you very much. That's looking at it. It's exciting to hear about the expansion of our footprint in healthcare and the expansion in entrepreneurial mindsets. And as we are going to go forward with that, I'm going to take you back to 2 slides that I want to show you real quick. I myself am Maarten Rotman. I'm Maarten Rotman. But before we go into the second phase, I'm going to ask everybody here to think about the first group of pitches that they've just heard and think about which ones of those did you like best and vote for your audience favorite. At the same time, I'm going to ask our judges from the very first teams to join Praneet over there and join and deliberate to think about your favorite of the first group. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to scan that QR code. I'll give you a little bit more time to get up and go. And while you think about that, and while you pick your audience favorite for the first group, I'm going to tell you that for the next group, the second group of pitches, it's going to be a slight different start of it. The very first 3 teams of the second round are all 3 of them focused on a specific disorder called post-stroke spasticity, or PSS. I've been told that for this one time I can use the abbreviation. PSS, post-stroke spasticity, is a very common condition affecting over 1/4 of all stroke survivors, and it leads to involuntary muscle stiffness and spasms. This obviously causes very many difficulties in movement and daily activities, and early detection and effective management of this disorder are crucial to improving patient outcomes and improving quality of life. Now, we've partnered together with the company AbbVie in a brainstorming session and decided to support the development of an AI model that can predict risk and aid in clinical decision-making. Now, you will hear from 3 finalists, and the winner of those 3, or winners, potentially, will get access to a large set of clinical data to develop and further test their AI and machine learning models. So those are going to be the very first 3 teams, but before we go into that, I'm going to introduce our esteemed judges for this third group. We have Patrick Boswell from the Dell Medical School. We have Dr. John Iker from the medical school as well. We also have Conrad Wang and from HealthQuest Capital, and Jessica Mohm from the Discovery to Impact. I appreciate your expertise in grilling the upcoming 5 teams that are going to be pitching here. The first team on deck, so the first of the 3 teams that are talking about PSS, is led by Aaron Feller, and their health associates are represented by Sivani Bilaji. And so, Sivani, I'm going to invite you on deck, and then Aaron, you can come on as well.